Hi children, good morning to everyone. How are you all? Okay ma'am, are you practicing at home? Okay. Getting very easy? All of you understood? Before lessons. We are completed how many lessons? 2 lessons or 3 lessons? Yes, 3 lessons completed. Those are Varnamala, Matraye and Bharakkadi. Yes? All of you understood? All of you got it? Okay. Okay. So, our Shra letters are called Varnamala. Okay. Varnamala letters are how many types are there? Those are 3 types. Okay. Those are Swar, Vyanjan and Samyuktakshar. So, स्वराक्षर को वोवेल्स कहते हैं. स्वराक्षर को वोवेल्स. ओके. स्वराक्षर को अर्थ वोवेल्स. आफ्टर व्यंजनाक्षर. व्यंजन को अर्थ क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट्स. ओके. सो बिफोर आई सेड टू यू कॉन्सोनेंट्स वी कैन राइट 2 टाइप्स. One type is Bharakkadi. Lesson number 3 completed. Okay. Next we will go to second type Adhe Akshar. Okay. So already do you know in Telugu Adhe Akshar means in Telugu Ottulu. Okay na children? Okay. Ka kavattu, kha khavattu, ga gavattu. Are you learned in Telugu na? Same in Hindi also. Okay. In Hindi also we have Adhe Akshar. So let us start writing part. We'll go to lesson number 4. All of you ready? Ready to reading and writing? So first listen carefully children. Okay? Listen carefully and write carefully. Okay? Practice well at home. Okay? Okay. Do you know, first of all, sitting properly is important. Yes? Okay. Let us start. Going to lesson. Before, I will ask you one question. Which letters are called Vyanjan? Yeah. का से हाँ अक्षर को कहते हैं व्यंजनाक्षर और व्यंजन. Yes? So what do we write with Vyanjan? Bharakkadi and Adhe Akshar. Okay. Bharakkadi means in Telugu Gunintalu. Before lesson completed. Still we are in 4th lesson. 4th lesson name is Adhe Akshar. Means in Telugu Ottulu. Okay. Let us start. As usual, starting with a heading only. What is the heading name? Adhe Akshar. Okay. See. Starting letter is A, Dha, A की मात्रा आधे, A, Kshara, अक्षर, आधे अक्षर, आधे अक्षर. आधे अक्षर means in Telugu Ottulu. Okay. Okay. So let us start. Ka to Ha letters. Okay. So what is the starting letter? Do you know? Yes. ka. Okay, start now. As usual, starting with the letter ka. Kha, ga, gha, inya, cha, cha, ja, cha, ini, da, tha, da, dha, ana, and the next letter ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, pha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, she, sha, sa, ha. Okay, so see here children, now I written here ka to ha letters. Okay, let us start Adi Akshar. See here, so in Adi Akshar some letters are writing same as it is. Okay, how do we understand it is a letter or Adi Akshar? Okay, see here, how do we understand? I will say you ka, ka Adi Akshar, kha, kha Adi Akshar, ga, ga Adi Akshar, gha, gha Adi Akshar, inya, inya Adi Akshar. How do you understand? It is the same letters only, no? These two are. So which is the Adi Akshar? Yes or don't know? Okay, see here, I given here one small line. Now it is letter, sorry, it is Adi Akshar. Okay, it is a letter, it is Adi Akshar. Okay, what is the difference here? So I given here one small line, letter down. Yes, did you understand now? It is inya Adi Akshar. Okay, it is a letter inya and it is letter inya Adi Akshar. Okay, after cha Adi Akshar, and here also get same. So what do we give here? Yes, small line. Now it is a letter cha and it is Adi Akshar cha. Okay, after letter ja, ja Adi Akshar, jha, jha Adi Akshar, inya, ini Adi Akshar, ta, ta Adi Akshar, tha, tha Adi Akshar, da, da Adi Akshar, and dha, dha Adi Akshar. So two letters only, na? Ta, tha, da, dha. How do you understand? Which is the letter or which is the Adi Akshar? Yes, here giving one small line, letter down. Okay, now it's clear to you? It is Adi Akshar. Okay, so these are Adi Akshar and these are Akshar. Ta, ta Adi Akshar, tha, tha Adi Akshar, da, da Adi Akshar, and dha, dha Adi Akshar. Now ana, ana Adi Akshar. Okay, next ta, ta, ta Adi Akshar, tha, tha Adi Akshar, da, da Adi Akshar, किसको अक्षर कहते हैं? दोनों को अक्षर कहते हैं. Yes. So what is the difference? Different ఏముండాలి? So which is the ఆది అక్షర్? 2 letters only now. Okay. So I am giving here one small line. Now it is ఆది అక్షర్. The ఆది అక్షర్. And the next one dha ఆది అక్షర్. And na ఆది అక్షర్. tatha dadha na. After pa ఆది అక్షర్. And fa ఆది అక్షర్. ba ఆది అక్షర్. bha ఆది అక్షర్. ma ఆది అక్షర్. ya ఆది అక్షర్. ra ఆది అక్షర్. Okay, letters are same. And here given there one small line. It is ఆది అక్షర్. So do you know children? It is a ra ఆది అక్షర్. We can write 3 types. One type I written here. I completed here. And the second type is truck. Ta ra ఆది అక్షర్. ka truck. Okay. ब्रह्मा. ba ra आदि अक्षर. ha आदि अक्षर. ma second आ की मात्रा. ब्रह्मा. Okay, Lord Brahma. ra आदि अक्षर we can write 3 types. One type and second type and third type. Okay. And la आदि अक्षर. va आदि अक्षर. And next she आदि अक्षर. sha आदि अक्षर. sa आदि अक्षर. And ha आदि अक्षर. Okay, these are akshar and आदि अक्षर. Okay, so see here. See here children, your left side are letters. Okay, your left side are letters and your right side are आदि अक्षर. Okay, so see here. ka आदि अक्षर. kha आदि अक्षर. ga आदि अक्षर. gha आदि अक्षर. इन्या आदि अक्षर. cha आदि अक्षर. cha आदि अक्षर. ja आदि अक्षर. झा आदि अक्षर. इनी आदि अक्षर. ta आदि अक्षर. ठा आदि अक्षर. डा आदि अक्षर. ढा आदि अक्षर. अना आदि अक्षर. ता आदि अक्षर. था आदि अक्षर. दा आदि अक्षर. धा आदि अक्षर. ना आदि अक्षर. पा आदि अक्षर. फा आदि अक्षर. बा आदि अक्षर. भा आदि अक्षर. मा आदि अक्षर. या आदि अक्षर. रा आदि अक्षर. ला आदि अक्षर. And va आदि अक्षर. शे आदि अक्षर. शा आदि अक्षर. सा आदि अक्षर. And हा आदि अक्षर. Okay, ये अक्षर and ये आधे अक्षर. Okay, अक्षर आधे अक्षर completed now. Did you understand children? Note down. Don't write these. Okay, I given here one box. No children, these words don't write. Okay, we can continue later. I will say you some extra words. Don't write in these box words. Only are you writing आधे अक्षर and आधे अक्षर only. First give heading, first enter day and date, after continue the work. Okay, every time enter day and date, starting with the day and date only. Okay, don't forget it. Yes. Okay children. In Varnamala, आधे अक्षर completed with the Kato Ha letters. Yes. So we can go to in this आधे अक्षर explanation. Do you know children? ఒత్తులు ఎన్ని రకాలు? Are you learned in Telugu? Yes. Same as it is in Hindi. What are they? आधे अक्षर are two types. Those are Dvitwakshar and Samyuktakshar. Okay. We'll go to that. Okay. All of you written? See here. Let us start. आधे अक्षर two types. Those are Dvitwakshar and Samyuktakshar. Okay. So what are these two? What is the difference in these two? Why we are learning? Very, very important. These are very, very important. For example, our names are there, children. Okay. More letters are getting ఆధే అక్షర్ మాత్రా ఏ అండ్ ఆధే అక్షర్ వీటన్నిటిని కలబోస్తేనే కదా వర్డ్ అవుతుంది. లెటర్స్ మాత్రా ఏ అండ్ ఆధే అక్షర్. ఎస్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వన్ వర్డ్ ఈజ్ దేర్, యశ్వంత్. యశ్వంత్ అనే వర్డ్ హౌ డు వి రైట్? ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఈజ్ యా. ఓకే. సెకండ్ లెటర్ షే. ఇన్ తెలుగు మెల్కష. ఓకే. దానికి ఏ ఒత్తు యాడ్ చేయాలి? ఏ ఒత్తు యాడ్ చేస్తే శ్వా అవుతుంది? వా ఆధే అక్షర్. ఓకే. యా యా యశ్వంత్. యా షే వా ఆధే అక్షర్. అమ్కి మాత్ర త. అదే తెలుగులో ఎలా రాస్తాము? యా షే, షేకి వావొత్తు, సున్నా, తా, తాకు నకారం. ఎస్, యశ్వంత్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. ఇన్ హిందీ మీ లెటర్ యా. ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ తెలుగులో షేకి వా ఆధే అక్షర్ గివెన్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. ఇన్ హిందీ డిఫరెంట్. ఎలా వస్తుంది? వా షే ఆధే అక్షర్. ఓకే. అమ్కి మాత్ర. యశ్వంత్. చూడండి యశ్వంత్ వర్డ్ని see here Yashwant. Yeah. Okay. शे आधे अक्षर, वा ता ना आधे अक्षर. Yashwant. It is a name. Okay. Did you understand? Here get some letters and some ఆధే అక్షర్. Yes, it is one of the word. It is a name, Yashwant. Okay. So, ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఒక లెటర్కి ఇంకొక లెటర్ యొక్క ఒత్తును యాడ్ చేసాం. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఏమనాలి? సంయుక్తాక్షర అనాలా, ద్విత్వాక్షర అనాలా? Samyukta Akshar. Are you already learned in Varnamala? Yes. Ksha, Tra, Jna, Shra. Those letters are called Varnamala. Yes, no children? Okay. So, Samyukta Akshar ki, Ditva Akshar ki, what is the difference? అది తెలుసుకోవడానికి now we are learning Adhe Akshar. Okay, we can go to Adhe Akshar. Lesson start. Okay, see here. Adhe Akshar are two types. Those are so first Ditva Akshar. Da first e की मात्रा वा ता आधे अक्षर सेकंड आ की मात्राक्षा रा द्वित्वाक्षर. द्वित्वाक्षर को अर्थ क्या है? द्वित्वाक्षर को अर्थ any two different letters, sorry, any two same letters. And means are called Ditvaakshar. Okay, so any two same letters and means are called Ditvaakshar. For example, first ka आधे अक्षर plus ka is equal to ku. Okay, ka आधे अक्षर plus ka. తెలుగులో లెటర్ రాసి ఒత్తు రాస్తాం. ఇన్ హిందీ में फर्स्ट आधे अक्षर आफ्टर लेटर. Okay, ka आधे अक्षर plus ka is equal to ku. Sounding is also important, children. Listen carefully. Okay, so word also I say she ka आधे अक्षर ra. So what is this word now? Shakkar. Okay, it is a shakkar. Shakkar ko अर्थ sugar. SUGAR, sugar. Okay, so ka आधे अक्षर plus ka is equal to ku. Word is shakkar. she ka आधे अक्षर ra. shakkar. shakkar को अर्थ sugar. So द्वित्वाक्षर, this word कहते हैं द्वित्वाक्षर. ये any two same letters and means are called Ditvaakshar. Okay, आधे अक्षर are two types. Those are Ditvaakshar and Samyuktaakshar. So Ditvaakshar को अर्थ क्या है? Any two same letters and means are called Ditvaakshar. So for example, ka आधे अक्षर plus ka is equal to ku. Word is shakkar. shakkar का अर्थ sugar. Okay, so next we will go to Samyuktaakshar. सा हम की मात्रा, या फर्स्ट की मात्रा, का ता आधे अक्षर सेकंड आ की मात्राक्षा रा. संयुक्ताक्षर. ओके, संयुक्ताक्षर को अर्थ क्या है? एनी टू different letters add means are called Samyuktaakshar. See, संयुक्ताक्षर को अर्थ क्या है? any two different letters add means are called Samyuktaakshar. Okay, so any two different letters add means are called Samyuktaakshar. Already are you learned in Varnamala Ksha, Tra, Jna, Shra, and letter and one more letter Adhe Akshar taken. Yes, we are added letter and one more letter आधे अक्षर. So that's why we are calling those letters samyukta akshar. And I will show you one example here with the आधे अक्षर. See example, सा आधे अक्षर plus ta is equal to stu. Okay, सा आधे अक्षर plus ta is equal to stu. Sounding is important, children. Listen carefully. Stu. What is the sounding? ताकि सावत्तिస్తే ఏమైంది? stu అయింది. Okay. Now word is book means in Telugu. Sorry, book means in Hindi. Yes, किताब, पुस्तक, पुस्तक. Okay. पा फर्स्ट की मात्रा ता सा आधे अक्षर का. पुस्तक. पुस्तक को अर्थ book. BOOK book. Okay. So see here, children. Two different letters add means are called samyukta akshar. Same letters add means are called ditva akshar. Okay. Did you understand now? It's clear to you? Okay. आधे अक्षर are two types. Those are ditva akshar and samyukta akshar. Okay. ditva akshar को अर्थ any two same letters add means are called ditva akshar. For example, का आधे अक्षर plus का is equal to ku. Word is shekkar. shekkar को अर्थ sugar. शे का आधे अक्षर रा. shekkar को अर्थ sugar. And next second type is samyukta akshar. samyukta akshar को अर्थ क्या है? any two different letters add means are called samyukta akshar. For example, सा आधे अक्षर plus ta. Okay, सा आधे अक्षर plus ta is equal to stu. Okay, word is pustak. पा फर्स्ट की मात्रा ता सा आधे अक्षर का. पुस्तक को अर्थ book. Okay, it's clear to you, children? All of you note down now. Okay, children, I think all of you understand. Yes? Did you understand? So first of all, we can get everything very easily. How it is possible? Listening is very, very important. Okay, perfectly listening is very important, and reading after we'll go to writing. Okay, listening is very important, children. Listen seriously. After long time are you learning? Learn seriously. Okay. Okay, children, I think all of you understand. Okay, thank you.